It's caught up.
There you go. Toss that one.
it.
Yeah.
Make sure we throw that into the yard.
Yeah. You love walking out and seeing trash all over your front yard and watching where the nails
Oh,
are.
there's the customer.
There it is. He's like, oh,
Yeah.
what's that?
He's like, he's throwing it down at us.
I'll give him credit, though. If he doesn't like it, at least he tosses it.
Yeah. I think he needs a shingle hander too.
Yeah,
He's doing both.
He doesn't need a feeder. Hate when that happens.
Right.
It's caught up.
There you go. Toss
it.
that one. Yeah. Thought he was going to install that for a second.
Yeah.
Those two stuck together.
Yeah.
So yeah, you definitely had a compromised shingle in that case. And again, if you don't have the quality, you put shingles like that on your roof, you're going to get a leak and you're going to have to call the roofer back if he comes back.
Right.
Yeah.
And then to take care of it. I'll give him credit though. If he doesn't like it, at least he tosses it.
It's the right thing and better thing to do to scrap the one and put
Right.
something that's going to last. Because that's the thing with roofing systems that we build. It's like things that are going to last for a very long time. I'm 30 years old and it's going to last 30 years, you know? So,
Right.
it's pretty much a part of a lifetime. And so just taking the extra time to make sure you get the details right make all the difference.
Right.
Yeah. Nope. One more.
But there's your cut.
Make sure we throw that into the yard.
Oh, that's organization right there.
What am I looking for?
Ice and water barrier.
Yeah, ice and water.
There it is.
Ice and water shield.
So I'm lacking the hack on this one. You just install on the roof at this point, you know? Oh, I guess all that was ice and water barrier down low.
Oh.
I see now.
Oh, yes.
Must be up north there someplace.
Yeah. There's the
There goes
paper
his trash.
fly.
Yeah, there goes his trash right there. Let's hope they clean up at the end of the day, right?
Yeah, that's the key.
You love walking out and seeing trash all over your front yard and watching where the nails
Oh,
are.
there's the customer.
There it is. He's like, oh,
Yeah,
what's that?
he's like, he's throwing it down at us. These roofs that like are, you know, in rough shape, we see these all the time, realistically. It's been a constant reality in roofing that like, even if you think somebody knows what they're doing, it's best to check and know for sure.
Right.
A badly installed roof affects someone, you know, because they spend a lot of money to protect their home, and then we're often a contractor that comes in and fixes issues that people have had quote unquote fixed in the past. That's why I love to educate homeowners and kind of show them exactly what's going on.
It's the biggest investment you're going to have for
Yeah.
most people, right? It not only protects your family, it protects all the things that you cherish. So if you look at what you're doing, find a quality installer, find a quality contractor who's been around for a while, who's seen a lot of things, who can solve problems. Find someone that has quality reviews, has a quality reputation in the neighborhood, who's done your neighbor's house and you know that they're not having any problems. If you got to spend a little extra, you spend a little extra, but this way you get it done right.